welcome to Bilingual Mission class. Today is session number 4 and session number 5, okay? So please join me to check the activities for today. Let's recall some capitalization and punctuation marks reading this language box, okay? Please read with me. We use capital letters when we begin a sentence. Usamos letras mayúsculas al principio de una oración. We also use capital letters to write proper names. Además, también usamos las letras mayúsculas para escribir nombres propios. Names of cities or states and nationalities. Nombres de ciudades o estados y nacionalidades. We use a comma to separate a city and a state. Usamos una coma para separar una ciudad y un estado. We also use commas to separate items in a list of 3 or more things. También usamos comas para separar artículos de una lista de 3 o 4 cosas o más. We use abbreviations when we use letters to represent a complete word. Usamos las abreviaciones o abreviaturas cuando usamos letras para representar una palabra completa. Usamos las abreviaturas para escribir los nombres de estados en una dirección. Okay? Let's solve exercise number 2 on page 81, number 8 and number 1. Okay? Look at the name of the states. Try to match the states with their abbreviations. Vamos a hacerle match a estos estados con sus abreviaturas. Ok, tenemos Campeche, Chiapas, Durango, San Luis Potosí, Nuevo León y Sonora. You have to match, ok? Which one do you think is the correct abbreviation for each state? For example, I'm gonna help you. San Luis Potosí. This is San Luis Potosí. And what about Durango? Yeah, this is Durango. Can you match the rest of the abbreviations? Okay, I'm pretty sure you're gonna do a great job. Excellent. So now, let's change to exercise number 3. Look at the state abbreviations in the box. Write each abbreviation next to its name. State name. Vas a observar las abreviaturas que se encuentran aquí en esta cajita y las vas a escribir next to, al lado del nombre del estado, ¿ok? For example, Zacatecas. I'm gonna help you with this. I'm gonna help you with this. Okay. What about Coahuila? Okay. And the dot, okay, or point. Good. So we already have Coahuila and Zacatecas. We need to write 3 more abbreviations, but we are finding 4 abbreviations. So one abbreviation, we are not going to use it to write it next to the state's name. Hay una sola abreviatura que no vamos a usar para escribirla a un lado del estado, ¿ok? Ojo con eso. Good job, boys and girls. With this exercise, we are finishing session number 4, okay? Good. Now, please join me to check the activities for session number 5. In this session, we continue working with the language journey, this time on page 82, la página 82. Let's check exercise number 1. Complete the following information about how many family members you have. Completa la información acerca de cuántos miembros de la familia tienes, okay? I have brothers and sisters. How many brothers and sisters do you have? For example, in my family, I have 2 brothers and sisters, okay? Grandparents, I have 4 grandparents, okay? And Uncles and aunts, oh my goodness, I have a lot. I have 9 uncles and aunts, okay? These uncles and aunts are the brothers and sisters of my parents, but I also have a lot of uncles and aunts who are cousins of my parents, okay? Very good. Yeah, it's a little bit complicated, but we are only going to count the closest family members to our family. Solo vamos a considerar a los miembros de la familia más cercanos a nuestra familia, okay? Good. Next, we are going to listen an audio titled Who Has More and match the person with their possessions. Vamos a escuchar un audio que se llama ¿Quién tiene más? Y vamos a hacerle match a las personas con sus posesiones, okay? Let's listen.
Who has more? Look, Sally, I have a helmet and a bike. That doesn't impress me. I have a basketball.
Okay. Look, Sally, I have a helmet and a bike. Oh, that doesn't impress me. I have a basketball. Okay.
Well, I have a soccer ball. And I have a baseball, a bat, and a mitt. Wow, they're great.
Okay. Well, I have a soccer ball. Well, I have a baseball, a bat, and a mitt. Okay, now, who has more? ¿Quién tiene más? Vamos a ver. ¿De acuerdo a lo que escuchamos? I think it is correct if I match the soccer ball to the boy. Yeah. And also the helmet and the bike. Yes, 3 possessions. The boy is the owner of 3 things. What about the girl? She said she has a basketball, baseball, a bat, and the middle. 4 possessions, right? Yeah, I think the girl has more. Very good. Now, let's solve exercise number 3. Listen again and complete the sentences. I have a helmet and I'm gonna help you with this, bike, okay? Number 2, I'm gonna help you with this too, basketball. Do you remember the girl said, I have a basketball? Do you remember what's the other possession the boy has? What's the name of this? Okay. And finally, I have a baseball, and a mitt. Do you remember what's the name of this object? I'm pretty sure you know. Well, with these activities, we finish session number 5. And guess what? That's all for today. Thank you so much, boys and girls. You did an amazing job. Love you. Bye-bye. Thank you. See you tomorrow.